back to my channel. I have a Goodwill haul for you guys. Pots that I've picked up that that I like for succulents, or that are unique, that I want to try and see what I can come up with. First I wanted just to show you guys, I brought in to the greenhouse some of my indoor succulents. This one was inside. It just changed a little bit of color. It got lighter, so I'm seeing if maybe she turns back to blue, because this was blue. It's actually called Azulita. It's called Echeveria Azulita. Then this one was green. It was just like a bright green, and this one is called Echeveria Light Green. So, and then this one is called Echeveria Violet Queen, and she was more of a pastel yellow. So I'm just seeing if maybe bringing them in here will bring back their color. So that's what I brought out here, and let's see what else. I think that's it. No, I know which one. Where are you? Oh, right there. I brought in my moon glow Crystula because I see a little bit of stretching there. So yeah, I brought it out here, see if I can stop that from happening. Yep. Is that dirt? I think, yeah, that's dirt. It's got some dirt on it. Okay. Anyways, so that's it. Oh, and then I brought out my pots that I had recently planted. So those are there, and then here are the other ones. I really like how purple this one has gotten. This is Echeveria Debbie. She's one of my favorites because of the color. So is the Echeveria Newtonberg. Those are my, I love seeing them pink and purple. And yeah, this one is also one that I've always wanted, because in pictures that I've seen, you see blue and a little hints of pink and green. So I'm going to see if maybe this one with some sun, if she gets to that point. And it's very windy here today. And these are my bags from the Goodwill. I took some stuff out. I'll show you now what I got. Okay guys, so this is one that I got. I really like the way it looked. It is very small right here, but I just thought of maybe some type of succulent that cascades down with other ones that are upright. So we'll see. The pearl would be good. The what is it called? String of pearls, but I don't have right now. I only have a tiny little thing, and that's in my hedgehog inside. So that's all I have, but that's what I would like to put in here. I think that would look really nice, and maybe some baby's necklace would look good in there. I don't know. So many possibilities of this. I just really like the drawing and the texture that it has. This was only this was half off, so it was $1, so that was good. Then I also like the way I seen many people turn these into pots. They put like donkey's tail hanging on here, the banana plant, or the pearls. I think it looks really pretty too, so I want to do that. I have to drill holes into all these that I got, but I have to be very careful because what is it called, the glaze is cracked, so I just have to be very gentle when I'm doing that. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll try and see what happens with that. This one was regular price, $2. I like white. I like getting white pots, and then unique pots like that green one. Oh, this one was also, I really love the colors in it, and I thought of maybe like a tall plant or something that would look pretty in there too. This one was 79 cents. I just really like the color, and I think that I can, this was made in Thailand. I think I can put a hole easily here because this looks like clay right here. So that should be pretty easy. And of course, white. I struggle picking up these type of pots because I have a difficult time. I don't know if I need a new diamond bit, but some of them are harder than others. This is pretty thin, so I'm hoping it's pretty easy. I'm hoping I get through it really quickly. So I got 2 of these. These were also half price. They were 79 cents plus 50% off. And I got 2 of those. So those are cute. Last bag. Here's this one. It's just a little pot. I thought it would look really cute. So it's 39 cents. Hoping that it's easy to drill a hole into that. And then I like finding shallow pots because I think they look really good with the plants, and also they use less dirt. What was I gonna tell you guys about this? I almost left it because I was like, oh, I'm buying too much, but then when I noticed that a lot of my pieces were half off, I'm like, oh, then I can get this. So this one was $2. So that's a really nice pot. I can't wait to put something in there. I don't know what. I have to wait because I have been getting a lot of plants lately, so I'm just gonna slow down a little bit. Maybe some of my babies that are growing, maybe I'll put in here. So we'll just have to see what I come up with. So yeah, guys, that's it for my haul. So I wanted to show you guys a new technique that I'm using now to make drainage in my pots. I was using this recently, but it would take a long time. Like I said, I don't know if I just need a new one. I use mainly the big one, but I don't know if I need a new one. So my husband, I bought these, well, my dad had bought me those, which was it? This pot and some other pot that I have inside was so difficult. I mean, I wasn't doing barely any damage to the pot. So I was really frustrated. My husband's like, I have an idea. So you see this here? This cuts tile and aluminum and metal and all kinds of stuff. So he's like, what if I do a line? I'm like, a line? Sure, that would work. It's drainage. So I mean, in less than 5 minutes, or maybe 5 minutes, I think less than 5 minutes, I made lines on all these. I created drainage on all of them. Very easy. You have to be very gentle when you're going in, but I was able to do it and without being afraid of, you know, breaking the pot. I mean, it was pretty easy, so that was quick. I've never created so much drainage that quickly in my pots. Normally I would do 1 or 2 because I get tired, but I was able to do it really quickly, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a different way. If you guys are afraid to try it, I would try it with a pot that you really don't care if it gets damaged, just because I don't know how it's going to turn out for you. You have to, you know, just go in very slow and just try to keep staying on that line. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys that. So guys, these are the plants that I got from my planter boxes. These are the Rectosedum California Sunset. See, this says full to part sun. So you'll see that it'll start saying, some will say sun to shade or sun to bright light. So those I wouldn't pick for my boxes, but this, because it says full to part sun, I think this will do well in my boxes, and we'll see. I will update you guys and show you. When I first saw these the other day when I was there, they were really red, but I wasn't sure, you know, if I wanted to do it yet. And yeah, I went back to get them and they lightened up because they're placed in the shade. I'm hoping that they turn back into the original color. And these will go in one of those boxes over there. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye, guys.